In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync deadlines with external calendars. Keeping all your deadlines in one place is one of the easiest ways to stay organized and avoid missing important tasks. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to connect your work management tool to an external calendar, using Google Calendar as the example. By the end, any deadlines you set in your workspace will show up right inside your calendar, so you can see everything alongside your personal events and meetings. Let's start from your main workspace. First, look toward the lower left corner of the screen and find your profile icon. This is usually a small circle with your avatar or initials. Go ahead and click that profile icon. This opens a menu that gives you access to personal and account level settings. From that menu, choose Account Settings. This is where you control how your account behaves, including preferences, notifications, and connections to other tools. Clicking Account Settings will open a new page or panel with several sections or tabs. Once you're inside Account Settings, look for the section labeled Integrations. This is the area where you can connect your workspace to other platforms and apps, like calendars, communication tools, or file storage. Click on Integrations to open that page. On the Integrations page, you'll see a list of available services you can connect. Find the option labeled Google Calendar. This integration will let your deadlines sync directly into one or more of your Google Calendars. When you see Google Calendar in the list, click on it to open the detailed integration settings. Inside the Google Calendar integration section, look for a button or a link that says Add Google Calendar. This is the action that starts the connection between your account and your external calendar. Click on Add Google Calendar. At this point, you may be prompted to sign into your Google account and grant permission for the integration to access your calendar. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account that you want to use. Once you approve access, your workspace and Google Calendar will be linked. From here, your deadlines can be synced and will appear automatically in your calendar, helping you keep track of everything in one place. That's all you need to get your deadlines syncing with an external calendar using Google Calendar.